Yarn sensation. Just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarn Sensation. I'm so happy that you are here today with me, and I do apologize for the mess, but this is just my little setup to create these earrings. And anytime that I'm using different colors to create a project, depending on the project and the type of yarn that I'm using, I may use something like this to help keep everything organized. Okay, so this is just a toilet tissue holder, and the only thing I did was just cut, and then what I do is just place it on my work area. I use tape that I can easily remove from the surface that I am using to hold this in place. Once I have my colors set up in the order that I will be using them, and I have my colors as needed, and this will prevent the yarn from tangling. You will start with a slip knot and chain 25, and we will meet back. Once you have 25, you want to go to your 1, 2, the third chain, place a double crochet, place a second double crochet into that same stitch. You will be doing a third double crochet, but you will also complete a color change. Place your hook into that same chain, pull up a loop. You want to pull your yarn through 2 loops. You will drop the color that you're using and grab the next color, and you will pull that color through those 2 loops. Pull your tails to tighten, and next you will go to the next chain carrying your colors. Place your hook into that next chain, pull up a loop, and complete a double crochet. You will complete a second double crochet. And for the third one, you will do a color change. Repeat the same steps. Pull that yarn through 2 loops, drop that color, grab your next color. Pull it through. Remember to pull your tail to tighten, and complete a double crochet into the next chain. Complete your second double crochet in that same chain, and when you get to the third, remember you will be color changing. Pull your yarn through 2 loops, drop that color, and grab your last color. Pull it through those 2 loops. Remember to pull the tail to tight. Go into your next chain and repeat the same steps. And when you complete that last one, remember, go through those 2 loops, drop that color, and you will be grabbing whatever color you want next. So for this one, I'm going to change my pattern. So the next color I will be grabbing is green, and you can pick whatever color you want to be next. From this point, you just want to continue repeating the colors to the end. And also, this is the same pattern you can always use to create. If you want the same color earring, you can just start with one color and end with one color. You can do variety of colors. Like I said, you can make it your own by just changing the design. Also, remember, you can always pick the yarn colors that you want. And once you get to the end, we will meet back. Okay, so I am completing my last color, and I do not need to color change, so that last double crochet for that chain will just be the same color. And the yarn tails that you have been carrying, they will still be attached to your yarn. Just cut those tails. You can cut them short and they'll pull back into the work like that. And then you'll still have your yarn tail to add your ear wire. And this is optional if you like to have yarn hanging from the bottom of your earring to make another design, or you can just leave it like this. And this is what I did to this one. I added a bead to the end and just attached the yarn, and I can show you how to do it. Option for the bead: thread your yarn tails onto your yarn needle and pull it through your bead. If they will not go all at once, you can do it one at a time and just pull it through. And you will be using the same position on your earring. Just want to pull that through. Feed your yarn tails back through the top. You just want to go through the top loop. And go back through the bead. If it's hard to pull through, you can always use a tool to tug it through. So the next fun part will be just to twirl your earring